This next topic, we're going to learn how to find equations of a line given 2 points. If the line containing the 2 points, and we need to find the equation and then graph the line, as this example. So first we denoted the 2 points as x1, y1 and x2, y2. It really doesn't matter which point you denote as the first point, which one denoted the second point. Okay, they're the same. So given 2 points, first we need to find the slope. Okay, slope equals the difference of the 2 points y coordinates, right, over the difference of 2 points x coordinates. So now let's plug it in. 5 minus 3, that's numerator, the difference between 2y, and then -4 minus 2, that's difference between the 2x. We simplify, numerator is 2, denominator is -6, and then we simplify as -1/3. And then we can use the point slope form to find the line equation. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Right? We know the slope, we know the point. So you may wonder, we have 2 points here, which one we use to find the line equation or to put in the point slope form? The answer is either one. Okay, I will do both points, just let you see they are actually getting the same line equation. Okay, so let's do the first point. Okay, 2, 3 first. So y minus y1, that's 3, equals slope -1/3 times x minus x1, that's -2. So we eliminate the parentheses on the right hand side. Y minus 3 equals -1/3 of x plus 2/3, right? Minus negative, minus times minus become a positive. And then add a 3 on both sides of the equation. Y equals -1/3 of x plus 2/3 plus 3, right? 3 we can rewrite into the fraction. So numerator times 3, denominator times 3. So 3 we can rewrite as 9/3. And then we can get y equals -1/3 of x. Now these two fractions have the same denominator. We can add the two numerator together, 2 plus 9, that's 11/3. Okay, I use the first point as a given point to find the line equation. Now I use the second one. Okay, that's the same. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So now my x1, y1 will be -4, +5. Okay, it's just the notation, so don't get confused. Here I mark x2, y2. Okay, when I plug in to this point slope form of line equation, we can consider this as the y1, x1, y1. It's just the name of the variable is different. So y minus 5, right, equals -1/3 times x minus -4. Okay, minus negative, be careful, sign need to be changed. So that's x plus 4, and then distributive property, 1 minus 5 equals -1/3 of x minus 4/3, right? And then add a 5 on both sides of the equation. We got a y equals -1/3 of x minus 4/3 plus 5. So plus 5. Again, we need to both numerator denominator times 3. Still equivalent fraction, right? But we want the denominator equals 3. So that's -1/3 of x. Now they have the same denominator 3. Numerator we can combine. -4 plus 15, right? That's positive 11/3. So you can see, doesn't matter which point we plug in point slope form of line equation, we get exactly the same line equation. Okay. And the book, after plugging the point slope form, doesn't simplify. Okay, but I showed you both simplified. And the graph, given 2 points, we can plot the 2 points, and then use straight line, connect the 2 points, and then we can graph the line. Okay, so this line represents the equation. Next topic, we're going to learn how to write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form. So what is the slope-intercept form? Any equation write into this kind of form. Y equals mx plus b. M is the slope of the line. B is the y-intercept of the line. That's why this kind of form we call the slope-intercept form. So now let's see 6 line equations. Okay, first, y1 equals 2. Second, y2 equals x plus 2. y3, negative x plus 2. y4, 3x plus 2. y5, negative 3x plus 2. Okay, so what's common for this 5 line equation? They all have the same y-intercepts, isn't it? And then from the graph, we can see that too, all the line, because they have different slope. So how fast they going up or going down is different, but they pass the same y-intercept, 0, 2. All right, now let's look at another set of line equation. y1 equals 2x, y2 equals 2x plus 1, y3 equals 2x minus 1, y4 equals 2x plus 4, y5 equals 2x minus 4. So this set of line equation, they all have the same slope, right? But different y-intercept. And then if we plot all of them using graphic calculator, we can see those 5 lines, they are actually parallel lines. We're going to talk about the parallel lines at the end of this section. Okay. So y equals mx plus b. Okay, given equation in slope-intercept form, we can right away identify the slope, which is the coefficient of x first power, and then we can identify the y-intercept as well. That's the constant term. Okay. All right, and then next section,